Today is a great day for Opel. The new Opel Mokka becomes real. We have designed and developed our new Mokka from scratch here in Rüsselsheim. The new generation Mokka with its fully electric version, the Opel Mokka-e.
Opel design was and is bold and pure.
It's pretty amazing. Great new face. That's what cars should be like today.
All great ideas are simple. We're a progressive, modern German brand with leading-edge technology. Concept to reality, the new generation Opel Mokka. Bold and pure, inside and out.
The new Opel Mokka is the kind of car that puts a smile on your face. A car that makes your life colorful, energetic and exciting.